Can I use a propane torch to kill all the weed seeds in my garden, Mr. D? What's the look on your face, Mr. D? Come on now.
Man, I love propane torches.
I know you do.
Can do a lot of things with a propane torch,
right.
But it's not going to kill all the weed seeds in your garden.
All right.
It is not going to kill all the weed seeds in your garden because most of them are underground. And when the torch hits the ground, you're taking you're competition away and getting it ready for all the seeds can germinate and emerge. So no, you can't kill all the, that's a simple answer.
But solarization would work.
Hey?
With plastic, clear plastic.
It'd do better than a torch.
And it would do better, and what you do is you have to have an air layer. That's what people forget.
Okay.
There has to be a little bit of an air layer between the plastic and the ground. And you leave it there, and I can't remember how many weeks, maybe up to 6 weeks you're supposed to leave it there.
I've seen 4 to 6 weeks.
Yeah, and that will kill more weed seeds in the depth that you're going to be trying to disturb to plant something in.
Right.
So you'll get better weed control that way.
And the last few weeks would have been a really good time to do that. As hot as it's been, the temperature under there would have.
That would have been perfect. Yes.
Would have been perfect. Yeah, that's a good idea though. But here's something else though. When you do use the plastic, do not go back in there and retill.
Oh no!
Yeah, you definitely
if you're going to till it first and then do your solarization and then be able to plant in it.
Do not retill.
And I would still put mulches between the aisles or between the plants or around the plants because that'll just help control weeds even more.
Okay.
And add compost to your garden.
Yeah, this is true.
And much less chance of starting a forest fire.
This is true.
Right, that's for sure. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.